So I ordered some studio foam on Amazon actually just last night, and I already got it today. Pretty crazy. And the steps are to open it, peel and wait, add water, wait 24 hours, and then you can install it. Adhesive spray, that's the first. I was using kind of like double-sided tape, but I'll look into that. I'll post a link in the description if I find that adhesive spray along with the studio foam. I highly suggest shopping through my store, stumble upon all kinds of cool stuff. That backdrop, microphones. I actually, what I'm doing is I'm making a do-it-yourself sound isolation cube kind of deal. Let's go. Get it out of the package. And it says to peel it apart. It's crazy how many pieces can fit in that small little package. Uh-oh. You got a piece missing. I might be able to send an email. Might end up getting these for free. Never know. Some companies be keeping it real like that. I'm saying, like, if a big chunk of it was missing, I definitely would call it in. But yeah, so next step, now that we got them separated, says to add water. Now we'll do the other pack. Yeah, just spread them out. Yeah, they're already. Oh yeah, you don't even really need to get them soaking wet.
No, I mean, that's what I got from the thing. They add water.
Oh, okay, yeah. So look, it's flat. You just sit it on the water, and it starts to swell up. Yeah, you can like wring it out after that. Voila. You can tell this one's still